Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I thank you for clicking on this video. How y'all guys doing? I am back to teach you another line dance, and actually to make myself clear, you know this dance already. I posted the dance already, so nothing has changed but the history, okay? I want to give a shout out to Lady T. She reached out to me and gave me a video of the original name of this dance. So check this out. So the name of this line dance is called Continental, and it was created by the Jenkins Family in 1962. And they actually performed at the Apollo, and I think they won second place. So I think I gave it another name. I think it's the Cincinnati Stomp. That's not it. The name of the dance is the Continental. So if you learned it previously, it is the same step. I just want to always make sure that I give the right information, okay? Because that information is out there. Some people is passing it along, and I always want to make sure that I'm giving the right information. So I want to give a shout out to Lady T for reaching out to me and saying, hey, this is the video, this is the history. So again, the name of the dance is the Continental, created by the Jenkins family from New York in 1962. They won second place of $10 at Showtown at the Apollo that year. So I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. Also, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call me at 504-251-0674. Last but not least, guys, I'm always telling you about the 4-day line dance weekend. If this is your first time hearing about it, we have a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now, and you can book your room. Go over to our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com for details. Also, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, the demo, this is the instructional. If you're interested in dancing along, I'll post it right here at the end of this video. Also, the music changed on this dance, guys, and you'll see it in the demo. So let's go. So I'm gonna stand on this side. Please stand on this side of the room. Guys, if you learned this dance already, you can go ahead and dance. The steps are still the same. I just wanted to make sure that I gave the right information at the beginning, gave the credit where credit is due. New people, stay right here, stand on this side of the room and look in this direction. This is a 4-wall dance that moves clockwise. So our next wall will be to our right. And we're gonna do the same thing at each wall. It starts with a right walk to the right, walk to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk right, left, right tap, left, left, right, left, right, left. So we're gonna kick. So when we walk to the left, left, right, left. You really want to tap down on your right, but you're not going to do that. You're just going to go ahead and kick. Kick, 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 right, kick, left. Kick, kick. Let's do that again. Walk to the right, walk to the left, and kick, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Stump right, stump left, stump right, turn to your right, and stump left. So when we do the kick, right kick, left kick, then we're going to do 2 stumps. Stump right, stump left, stump right, shoulder come back, right shoulder come back, quarter turn, and then stump left. Okay? So we have walk to the right, walk to the left. Don't tap down on your right, just kick. Kick, kick with the heel. right, left, tap, right. End of dance. Real simple. Let's stay here. From the top, we walk to the right. Right, left, right, tap left. Left, right, left. Kick, kick, stomp right. Stomp left. Stomp right. Quarter turn, stomp left. Walk back, left, right, left, tap right. Now, you don't turn until you're getting ready to do that fourth one, okay? So stomp 1, 2, 3. On 3, turn back, bring that right foot back, quarter turn, and then stomp on 4, which is the left. Then you start back, walk back, left, right, left, tap right, and you're ready to start the dance over again. So let's start at this wall and we'll keep it going. 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, 5, 6, 7, kick. 8 and 1, stomp. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should end on 4. Okay, walk it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you continue around doing the same thing. It's real simple. Okay? It's real simple. That's the dance. That is the Continental. Remember, I'm going to post the dance with the music. Okay? I'm going to use the original music, which is James Brown, guys. So make sure you check that out. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm sorry I gave y'all guys the information, but I wanted to come back, clear everything up. So it is the Continental. It's a 4-wall dance that moves clockwise. Also, guys, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.